Hello everyone, today we're gonna do an unboxing video of the Nikon Coolpix P90 that I just bought for $399, and yep, it is in good shape. Everything is still new. I just got it like a few minutes ago, and we're gonna open it like one by one and see what comes in the box. Okay, alright, just bear with me. Alright, here we are in the box. This is a few manual guides from Nikon in English and also in, I think it's in Spanish, I guess. And this oh, kind of like a coupon or something like that, a registration. And also a Nikon software suite for maybe for photo editing or something like that. And there's another Coolpix P90 user manual, another user manual in Spain, and I believe this is the hand strap for the camera from Nikon Coolpix. Cool. Okay, let's take a look inside. Okay, first we got the AV cable, which you can plug in the camera into your TV for the for the audio and video output. And over here we got the battery charger, Nikon MH1 lithium ion battery charger. And here again, I believe this is like a USB connector, something like that. And it's pretty a lot of stuff, you know, here. And this is the this is like wire connector to the sockets. So what do we have over here? This is another this is the lens cap, I think, Nikon, the camera's cap. So I put it back on there, and here's the one that we're looking for. Alright, it's coming out from the box. Let's see over here. Alright, I'm gonna hold this camcorder still. There we go. It's looking pretty nice. It looks good. Okay, here we are. Nikon P90. I don't know if it's pretty blur here, but it's okay. This is Nikon P90 camera. It's very good. Yeah, just look at the lens. Looks really bluish. It looks good. With this 12.1 megapixels video 24 times zoom with ISO 6400, which is very good. It's the battery compartment. I'm gonna see the cool thing about this P90 is just the tilting screen. You know, you can, how do I flip this over? You can tilt the screen, I believe. Yep, there we go. You can do it like this. So you can, if you have to shoot it something like lower from your view, from your eyes, you can shoot it like this and look at the screen without like you have to sit down or bow down to take the pictures. Also you can tilt for 90 degrees. And okay, let's close that. That one's good. So I think that's a little bit about the Nikon P90, the new one. And this is all the stuff that we get from the box. And alright, I think we're good. Thanks for watching.